Thailand travel and why perhaps less of it is actually better. What's up guys, King Epic here. If you've liked my stuff until now, you might be thinking, I've completely lost it and gone retard. I like Thailand, I have the time of my life there, and now you're telling me that traveling there twice a year is actually better than living in paradise? Well, exactly. But hear me out, this doesn't make logical sense, but it's true in my experience. If you're one of those guys complaining about how you can only go to Thailand, party and have fun twice a year for a few weeks, maybe you don't realize that this is actually a good thing. So let's rewind the clock and take a step back. A few years back, a girl told me something that I didn't quite understand at that time. Something along the lines of, she does have sex less often because otherwise it gets boring if she can have sex every day. It's nothing special anymore. What the fuck? From a guy's perspective, I was like, yo, this feels good, so I want more of it, more often. Duh. Today, I could not agree more with what she said. You want to live in Thailand forever, or perhaps for a few months? I've done that, and it's not necessarily as you would imagine it. In my experience, if you have something daily or too often, I start to lose appreciation. It could even be something as trivial as buying a specific food every day. Pad Thai, chicken rice, and even, yes, I even admit Subway sandwiches. There, I said it. All of which were fantastic initially, but once I thought they were so good that I ate them more regularly, you know what? The less special they tasted. And the same applies to Thailand Nightlife, pay for play. When you have almost indefinite time, you can go out every day, hook up with a different chick whenever you want, get a massage around the corner 24/7. It's just not as exciting anymore. It's almost like living forever. The concept sounds nice on paper, but in reality it would be hell, absolute hell. You wouldn't get anything done, you wouldn't appreciate anything. You need that end, and you need that end to your Thailand trip or wherever you're going. The clock that is ticking, only X days left, is partially what makes it exciting. You know that after those days you go back home for several months and you cannot have any of this. So you go all in, you party hard, you bang girls. If you know you can stay for months here anyway, then do a quick visa run, then stay for another 3 months. It's just not the same at all. Hey man, I'm not telling you what to do. You know best. This is just what I've realized and experienced. When I went to Thailand for real the first time, I stayed there for 3 weeks. And you know what? I did go on a date or meet a girl almost every single day, knowing quite well that 3 weeks isn't a long time. I might as well pack in as much as possible. Same with Vietnam, where on my first trip was a visa run. I stayed for 3 days only, but wanted to meet a local girl. And that time limitation, maybe even call it deadline, is partially what made it exciting, what made me try it all. So that's another lesson I've learned, and something I will try for sure for myself. Way shorter trips. So there you have it. If you've been complaining up until now, maybe it's time to reconsider. You know how they say too much of a good thing is a bad thing? Yeah, that's exactly it. So what are your thoughts? Let me know.